Dang, those
What?
look good. You didn't have to do any modifications or anything to put those 35s on?
No, they fit factory, no rub, nothing.
That's awesome. They
Yeah.
look beast.
I know. Now I'm gonna go down there to the rock pile and see what it does.
Oh yeah.
You coming?
Yeah. Yes. That was a perfect spot right there. Oh, look at that.
We'll drive it. You're not getting in a CF Moto ever again, are you? Don't lie to us. We need the truth.
I will. I still got Bandit.
Yeah. Tell us the truth. You can't lie to us.
I love it.
You're never touching a CF Moto, are you?
I will. I will.
You think she's telling the truth?
She's allowed to like both.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Okay. As long as you still like CF Moto.
I love CF Moto. I
Okay.
love CF Moto.
We
That's
don't-
what started us.
Yeah, but
Here,
you got
can't
into
just,
a monster truck now, and
I can't just leave it running.
no. Look at this beast, guys. It is a beast. I ain't even lying. That is
It looks
hella
sweet
ground
with the
clearance
tires.
there. 35s. We didn't have to do any mods. It doesn't seem to be rubbing.
I had no issues with it going around the
Uh-uh.
corners, and I even turned back
Seems
too.
like it's doing good. It does rip them pretty good. Don't worry, guys. We're diving into the clutching as we speak. We're dialing some stuff in. We're, yeah. You
I'm
can't wait
ready
to go
for the
ride it.
summer. I'm ready.
She can't wait
Let's
to go. Ride it.
go. I'm
She
ready.
needs a stereo and she's down.
I don't
Yep.
even need the stereo.
Right?
Let's just go on our trips. Let's
So
go.
I didn't know that 35s would fit on this with no mods. You don't have to do any mods. This thing is built like a tank. Like a tank. No mods, no nothing. And it feels like with 35s, it feels like it was born for 35s. The gearing is on point. High range and low range. It's like on point for 35s. It's nuts. It ain't like our CF Motos. You put 35s, you put anything bigger than 32s on your CF Moto and
You're gonna feel it
you're in trouble with some
with the
transmissions
gearing and
stuff.
everything.
I love my CF Moto. I don't care. You can have this all you want to.
I love my CF Motos too.
Yeah. It
I
does.
just always wanted one.
Now, I will say, I do want to say this. This thing is built real nice. It's built real beefy. But the plastic feels like they got it from Temu. I ain't gonna lie. Fit and finish on
at the
this
door.
is not CF Moto quality. CF Moto has much better fit and finish than
It's
this
like
KRX
that over here
does.
too.
The KRX, it's stout, it's beefy. The frame
Yes.
is built big. Everything is built
It's
big
just
and
the way
beefy
that
on
they
it.
have it.
But fit and finish, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, gaps around the headlights, flimsy plastic, gap. CF Moto don't have that gap. You got plastic rattles. CF Moto doesn't have plastic rattles. The dash plastic, both sides, doesn't fit right. the door plastic doesn't fit right. And right up here on your arm, we're gonna trim this because there's a lip. It cuts into your arm. That's on both sides.
I'm worried about water going into it.
This doesn't happen on CF Moto. And there's many more quirks, but it's mainly the plastics that we kind of gripe about because I feel like they've done such an amazing job on this machine. They could at least got their plastic set from Amazon, not Temu. I mean, I'm just being for real. It came with the rock sliders, came with the
everything.
roof, came with the winch.
Yep.
Came with all that stuff, and it rides that nice with sway bar links. I don't know if we'll be taking them off. I might leave them. So what is that basically your gripe too?
Yeah, the plastics.
The plastics are kind of Temu-ish.
Yes. And another thing,
The door's real nice
the
though.
door is awesome. I like how it opens and closes.
CF Moto could learn from this. Nice and smooth, but the plastics.
The plastics.
What are your thoughts?
Like you said, basically, the plastics are the biggest thing. And
Yeah.
and I'm so spoiled with CF Moto too, because this is very bland in here.
Yeah, it is
Compared
very,
to, I mean, I know right here you can put in like a
Stereo.
$3,000 stereo or
Yeah.
whatever in it. I don't need that.
Yeah, and there's no park.
But
No park down there.
I just have it in neutral like we always do.
Yeah, which is
With
fine.
the parking
'cause
brake.
We do that with CF Moto
Yep.
too. But yeah, it is very bland where CF Moto, the inside
Yes,
is
like,
very fit and finish. Real nice, you know. I'm not saying KRX
But it's
is
a
a bad
nice-
machine. I've always
hey, it
been a
works.
Kawasaki fan.
yeah. It
Truth-
works for what they have, you
Truth
know?
be told, I've always been more partial to Kawasaki than any other brand. So, you know, there's that. But I'm being straight up and honest. Just the plastics, they don't. Very Temu-ish. Where CF Moto plastics,
They're on there.
if you own a CF Moto, you know the CF Moto plastics are very nice plastics.
Yes.
Very nice quality. Just the finish on this, rub your hand on this and then go rub your hand on a CF Moto. It feels different.
Yes.
And that's just the truth. But CF Moto don't have that frame. CF Moto don't have them A-arms. CF Moto don't weigh 2,000 freaking pounds.
Yeah.
And CF Moto cannot run
The
35s
35s.
problem free.
Yes.
This thing can. So there's that. But, well guys, we just wanted to bring a short video to you guys and let you see the 35s we did on this thing. We
It looks
can't wait to get it
beast
out.
mode.
Get some trail footage on it.
Yes.
Check that out, guys. We want to tell you to peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. If you like what we do here, if you want to see more bad to the bone content on the KRX, let us know. We are working on ECU tunes and clutch kits, which that's coming very quickly. And we are working on both clutches, 25 and up and 24 and down. So
Yep.
got you covered there. Let's see. Anything else?
I don't think so.
Don't think so?
I don't think.
We good?
I think so.
Tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
All right, guys. We'll see you in the next one.